אוקיי, מה קורה עכשיו? So, welcome guys. I wanted to address an issue that I faced using Unreal. There's an issue that sometimes when you try to compile a C++ file and sometimes even attach a component that was compiled as a C++ file, you want to attach it to the to one of the objects, one of the meshes or one of the objects in the scene, but then you, for some reason, maybe the Unreal Engine crashes, or you exit, or you save it and exit the editor, and then later you try to come back and continue your progress. However, sometimes what happens is that you lose the progress. So the C++ files that you compiled, they seem to be uncompiled. They seem to not work, and everything is messy, and things crash, and it's a whole mess. So I've seen a few people on the internet, on YouTube mainly, address this issue, but I'll try to address it in a different way because that's what I found that works for me. The other solutions didn't work. So what you do is you need to go to your project, you exit you save everything in the editor, you press the X, you exit the editor, and make sure that you have no processes that of the editor that runs in the background. So you go into your project's file folder, and you delete the binaries, the intermediate and saved files. Once you've deleted those, you right click on the project, on the U project, and you press generate Visual Studio project files. It will load, it will have a loading screen. It will run for a few seconds, a few minutes maybe. And then once you've done that, it will regenerate the binaries, intermediate and saved files, and then just run the project again. It will show a pop-up message, and you click yes, accept, and then everything will turn back to be okay. The C++ files that have been compiled will be compiled, and everything will be set up the way you set it up, and all the progress should come back. Tell me if it works for you. For me, that what worked. For some other people, there are different solutions, but that's what actually worked for me.